All right, one of the fun things about a 5-year age gap between your kids is all the new stuff that has come out. So our family is a family that is very on the go. Whether you're an on the go family or not with your first one, you pretty much have to be an on the go family with your second one because your older one has school and sports and places to be. So one of the new things I got that we did not have the first time around is this little travel bottle washing set. It's so convenient because it just packs up real small. It can fit in a diaper bag, or if you're going my family goes on a vacation for a week every year at Christmas break, which we still plan on doing. And so what I love about it is it has a built-in drying rack, as well as you can keep bottle soap with you, and then all the different size brushes that you'll need for all those little bottle pieces that we know can be such a pain to clean. So for on-the-go families, this travel bottle cleaning kit is a must-have.